Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary. Ntori ke tonyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sikolo saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Yes. Jams, this is for you because you've been eliminated out of my dating pool. So this is for you. As a disqualified person.
This is all I get.
Bufuna
Bendicela ntoni phambilini.
I mean, as a disqualified person. What nonsense?
So indawo yami now
Ayisekho.
Mina I know how to take defeat ngitshela.
You do.
I know.
So this is started it.
Uyazi uzobuya.
Tuzabuya.
Uzobuya.
Hi guys.
Hello.
How are you?
What's up, mom?
I'm good. My scat, I go around asking couples questions. Can you come closer? No, guys, I don't bite. Nisana. I ask couples questions. This is like a couples quiz.
Hayi boss silidethe sokwastande.
Wasn't Bonepa? We saw you guys from that side.
Ama camera ya. Ama camera.
I've got a YouTube channel.
Yo, sis mala ngale.
So you guys don't want to?
No, it's right, sis.
It's just 5 questions. 5 questions, Nyana, guys.
Hi, bosses.
5 questions, Nyana.
Angabuza sis.
Zikabuza, ne?
Yeah, ngabuza.
Sondelani, Chris, where do you want us? Okay, this is fine, actually, ne? Come closer, guys. All right, can I stand in between you guys?
Hayi. Masho.
I'm the first, Sandel, I like you. Come this side. On your phone.
Yes, sis.
Is that name?
No time.
Tembi and?
Nguswiso sis.
Swissa, how long have you been with Tembi?
It's 10 months.
Huh?
10 month.
10 months, still going strong.
Yeah.
Tembi, in the 10 months you've been together, have you ever suspected anything weird? In the 10 months, have you ever checked his phone?
Yeah,
Oh, you have?
yeah.
Wafumana ndoni Tembi?
Sisi.
Wafumana ndoni Tembi?
Next, angifumana next.
Oh, okay, where did he meet you?
Sahlangana nje emgidini.
Emgidini? Nyani ntombazana, wakubona wathini xa ekubona lokho?
Wangithanda phela.
Wakubleed? Wakushela?
Wangishela nje. Wangithetha nje intombini eziningi.
Did you guys go home together the same day, Sunday?
Hayi phela, hawu. Isikhathi sihamba, hawu.
Oh, by isikhathi.
Yebo.
What is called sis?
So you said your name is Sandel?
Uswiso.
So did you guys go home the same day?
Hayi.
After umgidi. Kaloku nasela emgidini na this.
Yeah.
Tambi. That look, girl. Nasela emgidini Swiso.
Ayaphuza phela emgidini.
Exactly. So after Intselo, where did you guys go?
Ngahamba naye semdeni.
You see, guys, there's no formula. I call formula, ne? Then we must make men wait before we give it up. There's no formula.
Hayi.
Kumele alinde phela.
Sithanda isikhathi.
But kanguhalinda nje kusiso.
Hayi phela sisi, hawu. Asilalanga phela lolu langa lelo, hawu.
Kanilale sis?
Yebo.
No.
Phela
Oh,
emakhaya. Yazi emakhaya nje.
Oh, okay, fine. Okay, but do you trust your man, Tim?
Yeah.
Out of 10?
9.
9 out of 10. Okay. Swiso,
I am Tim.
out of 10?
I'm Tim.
Out of 10?
Yeah, now ngathi 9.
9.
Cause now nginika 9.
Okay, Jongani, guys, I want to let you guys go, ne? What we do on this show, we basically do a loyalty test, right?
Yeah.
And we do that by switching phones. Basically, you guys go through each other's WhatsApps.
How?
Sure. Tell me, would you be willing?
Hayi cha ngifoni yami nje cha ayibanjwa umuntu.
Awufuni?
Hayi ifoni yami.
So, Ima, in the team, have you touched a phone in 10 months? She said she touched yours. What about you?
Mina ngayithi nginankinga neyami mina.
Oh, but eyakhe wayithinta in the 10 months.
Ya ngiyithinta yakhe.
Zange ubone nix.
Angatholi lutho cause angiyiseshi so ngiyithinta nje mhlawumbe mengichecka something nje mthungena ilikuja ama game kanjalo.
Oh, but awudungene ku WhatsApp.
Angangeni ku WhatsApp.
Okay, would you guys be willing to do that today?
Yeah,
Tell me, it's marriage season. Naman bayachata. You need to know that to chat umntu right.
okay, akunankinga.
Thukile nje kodwa.
Thukile Thembi.
Thukile.
Angithukanga hawu.
Oh.
Kodwa ifoni yami nje private. Hawu.
Kuyahambi kahle.
Ngale into wrong man uThembi.
Into wrong.
Ayikho.
Hayi thabi kusakuthembi. Serious.
Thembi. Hlakana.
Nje. Ulutho.
Sister, let's take our phone.
Uthukile lo muntu. No.
Sandela Sister.
Something wrong.
Sabi phone Thembi. Vula phone. Actually open your phone. Sister, can I have your phone? So you don't have to open it now, ne? He's just gonna hold it. We just don't want you to delete stuff. Vula phone Thembi.
Yeah.
Okay. Uzoyocheck kana space. Right. Okay. Okay, go to our WhatsApp. Okay. Type love you.
I love you. Yeah.
That's you, must not?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
I make so.
Miss. That's
I make, yes.
You.
Yes.
Okay, 100, what do you see?
Ngibona usisi wakhe la.
Mm-hmm.
No mama wakhe.
Nothing weird, innit?
Uhoyi.
Okay. Type babe.
Baby. Yeah, ngiyibona mina.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's sending her money and doing her favors.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay, what do you see?
Yeah, ngiyibona mina. Khona umuntu osenda imali la.
Hey, go into the chat.
Yeah. Hayi indoda.
Thembi,
Indoda.
go into pictures media.
Hey bantu. Isikhipha la.
Sibona izinto up
Whoop sis.
Kwenzakalani?
on your phone.
Uba kusendeni imali.
Banumandla?
Hayibo. Umalume loyo.
Malume.
Manje malume.
Timazela apha imali wakho mina.
Umalume lo.
Hayi wena.
Go into media. I-pictures ezithembi.
Manje ngapicture la kwamali wakho.
Yebo phela ngesikade ngisendela.
I-picture.
Yebo.
Umalume.
Yebo sis.
Manje ama-picture ngena lapha ama-picture amalume wakho nemali.
Eish.
Something wrong
Manje
la.
ngikuziningi. Hawu. Hawu sangithemba yini babe?
Ngiyakuthemba ukuthemba. Kodwa manje imali nama-picture.
Hayi angikwazi kuyesho lo.
Sifiso, do you wanna call Umandla?
Asimfonele uMandla mfowethu.
Give me the phone.
Simfonele uMandla.
Noma uzo-answer phela ngoba busy.
Ubhizi, umazalaba ubhizi. Uyasebenza?
Sebenza phela malume.
Uyasebenza uTambo.
Manje aqhubeka ukuthi malume wakho lo.
Malume lo.
Thembi, ngikuthembe kangaka mfowethu. Umalume wayesethi ithombe zakho.
Angithi phela ngiyangisendele ngoba nakho besisidinga.
Benidingela ntoni Thembi?
Simfonele sisi lo Mandla. Awufonele uMandla.
Hold thumbs. Hi, am I speaking to Umandla? Hello? Speaking to Lisa from CMTV. You're speaking to Lisa from CMTV. Inathetha naye. Kuyamazi Thembi, how long have they been together?
Mandla.
It's on speaker.
Mandla. 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 Mandla uyamazi uThembi? Ndoda khulu. Ya ngithi uyamazi uThembi.
Ngiyamazi umuntu wami wena ubani kwenzakalani?
Umuntu wakho?
Yebo umuntu wami baba.
Aluthe umalume wakho wena.
Hayibo, umalume kanjani manje? Umuntu wami lo isikhathi eside kabi sandana naye.
How long?
Hayi. Unesikhathi esinganani thandana naye?
Hayibo.
Yebo baba sewuzipheza nalo muntu manje.
3 years.
Yebo.
Hey, imhlola ke le.
Awunamanga ke.
Imfuna kanjani
Hey.
wena wena yini?
Uthi unamanga mfowethu ukuthi ayikho lonto leyo.
Hawu cha kulungile. Hawu sengifika manje sengiyintombi yakho.
Side kabi ndisithandana nefuthi ngiplan into enkulu kabi naye.
Hayi.
Hayi wena niplanani naye?
Yebo baba uyazi yena umuntu wami wayengena indaba zethu yena lo muntu uthi ngizovela kube ongekudala nje.
Hey, naye mhlola umadoda uthi uzomlobola lo muntu.
Okay wena yini naye ke wena ndoda uyini?
Intombi yami mfowethu lena ngina10 manje ngithandana naye.
Lo yasimoshela nje into zethu.
Yebo baba.
Hey,
Ufuna ukubona mina kahle
akunanto ndoda engizoyibona, akunanto engizoyibona la ndoda njengamanje mina ngizobona ngenza njani njengamanje ngayo lo thembo wakho lo.
ngicela uphuma umuntu wami ndoda mangafuni ukubona into engakazi uyibona uhlukana nomuntu wami phansi.
Hey, nasi mhlola ibrand lami ke leli ngehlela namhlanje.
Ya uhlukana nomuntu wami phansi angazi ukuthi nenzani lapho nomuntu
Uyangifebela wena.
Hawu malume indaba manje
Uyangifebela wena.
Hawu cha ngeke ungichatha nendoda yami. Hawu
Uyamuza ukubiza ngomalume njengamanje.
baba ngifuna umalume wakho umuntu wami lo ngithandana naye ngihlala naye nokungifana.
webhebhe.
Yes.
Gawe Nkosi yami.
Hina ukuthi nangu umuntu wakho nangu Thembi.
Malume.
Ngizala la bebe.
Hayibo malume kanti yini manje songicabanisa nomuntu wami?
Okay umalume wakho namhlanje mangabe usine lo muntu wakho bani lo muntu onaye lapho umalume wakho kusuka nini manje?
Hayibo ungayenzi lento yenzayo. Ungayenzi hawu.
Ngani izolo endlini yami ngumalume wakho ufuna izolo erumini yami.
Hawu. Malume ungakhulumi kanjalo phela hawu. Ywe Nkosi yami.
Mina manje ubani lo naye lapha bebe ubani lo naye lapha.
Hayi cha lo
Hlang noSifiso apha, they've been dating for 10 months.
Uyangifebela lo.
Ngizomjwayela kabi yena ethu.
Lo muntu umalume wakho tona athola naye.
Yena impahla zakho ufuna nendlini mangabe uthandana noSifiso.
We malume. Angithi phela malume yakho hawu cha malume. Uyabona ke manje ukuthi siyasixabanisa.
But uyafeba Thembi and ulimenemene.
We cha ngeke. Baby ke unamanga ke ngitshela unamanga. Hawu baby ngeke phela hawu sami leso.
Letha lesikhwama sami.
Phela siphethe amakhadi wami hawu cha ngeke.
Lo makhadi la kuphakathi awami lo makhadi la kuphakathi. Wathengwe yimina lo makhadi.
Thembi mnika amakhadi akhe.
Wangesilima kahlahle ungifebela.
Ngiyaxolisa baby hawu ngiyaxolisa.
Uxolisa ukuthini?
Ngiyaxolisa hawu.
Uxolisa ukuthini?
Ngiyaxolisa.
Lesikhwama sami, lesikhwama sami.
Hawu baby ngiyaxolisa.
Usephuma le jacket yami.
Hayi Sifiso.
Hawu, uyangidakelwa lo.
Okay.
Uyangidakelwa lo.
Hawu.
But we need to check your phone.
Ekaba.
We need to check your phone as well.
Eyami. Ya, eyami ngayishekha, eyami mina ngikike ifoni.
Okay, vula ke phone. Thembi,
Yeah.
uyacheat,
Uyangishithela lo.
uyafeba.
Ungesilima kahle kahle.
Hold lumps. All right.
Ngiyaxolisa baby.
Okay, Thembi, go to his WhatsApp now. Okay, type love you. Thembi, that's you, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, delete that. Type miss you. Clean must. Okay.
Yeah.
Type babe. Do you feel guilty? It's still early. It's still early. Type babe. You again.
Yeah.
Okay, delete. Type outside. That's you, Miss.
Yeah, Mrs.
Hey, son, delete that. Type thank you. That's you. Loyal Usifiso must delete. Type last night. You again, Tim. Delete. Showing delete. Type pregnant.
Ngijwayela kabi lo. Yabo angijoli mina. Yabo? Wena ngijolela lo mandla.
Yebo babe. Hawu ngiyaxolisa kodwa sithanda sami hawu.
There's
Hayi
nothing.
ngiyakwenzayo.
Delete.
Kwenza izinto ngala wena ngifebela.
Type morning after pill.
Akazinethi ngefoni nami la.
Akho nix Sifiso siyabona.
Uyabona nawe.
There's nothing.
Yabo yakwazi.
Thembi, give your man his phone.
Ngiyakholisa sithanda sami.
Set. Jacket jam.
Sifiso uzothatha yonke into yakho.
Jacket jam. Set.
Somgqothe give her phone.
Ngixolele give her phone ngixolele.
Hayi, bobo.
Ifone yakhe Sifiso.
Aliphoneti la. Bobo. Awuswela.
Kanjalo nje.
Sifiso ifone yakhe.
Ngihamba ifoni yami yathenga yimina le phone le.
But how she gonna go home?
Yathenga yimina le phone le.
Out of love.
Baby ngiyaxolisa.
Thathi phone.
Ngisacela umboleka ngibhek nje. Thona amakhadi.
Hayi wena ngisakufuni wena.
Awusamfuni?
Angisakufuni wena. Cehlwa
Mike Sifiso.
Awangijwayela lo.
Ngempela
Uyangijwayela.
Tell ukuthi awufuna manje
Wena
ukufuna
ufuna
Mike.
wena duze kwami. Ngisakufuni.
ngikhona awungeke.
Sifiso.
Ngixolisa baby.
Qala naye lo muntu.
Awulinda phela phela. Hayi bo.
Okay, Thembi.
Uyangijwayela wena.
Okay, Thembi, let him go, love, né? Let him go. No, it's fine. Do you need transport home?
Yeah.
We'll take you home. I'm sorry to ruin your day. Lams, stand aside for me while I close the show. So, actually, you know, I don't even want to know. Lams, siyavala ngoku. Siyavala ngoku.
Ihliziyo yami ibuhlungu. Hayi, ngitshike nje finish.
Ebuhlungu inhliziyo yakho.
Buhlungu.
Why?
Yabona oh Lisa, first which you don't understand.
No, you'll be fine.
No, I understand.
You'll be fine.
I'm not gonna be fine. In fact, I am gonna be fine because I know that eventually you do what you do best, you'll come back
To you.
to me. And another problem is when you come back to me crying. Kube yimi, I become that shoulder.
To cry on.
You cry, ukhale. Mawusubona so right. Ubuyele futhi. It's wrong. It's wrong. You don't consider my feelings.
So I'm using you, love.
Uyangisebenzisa.
I'm sorry.
And it's not okay.
But ndiyaya ku-date.
I'm not saying you should not go, but I know ukuthi vele. Yabo akusidate yokuqala uyakuyona. You always go and come back. You'll come back. Remember narrates.
Guys, we will update you if I come back.
Mina will update them. I know you can.
I bet you can't wait.
Go to that date.
Okay.
By 2.
Fine, I'll go. All right, CMTV viewers, that is an absolute wrap from me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame_. See you later.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale jino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi kangakanani njena nokhamba?
Yes.
Uma phezulu ngadlala.